Imagine soft white sands beneath your feet, turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see, and the gentle sound of waves that instantly calms your soul. Around the globe, there are beaches so stunning they look like they've been lifted straight from a dream, and today we're taking you on a journey to discover them. In this video, we'll explore the 10 most beautiful beaches in the world, from the pink-hued sands of Elafonisi Beach in Greece to the breathtaking cliffs of Kelingking Beach in Bali and the picture-perfect coastline of Eagle Beach in Aruba. Each one is unique, each one unforgettable, and together they'll show you why the ocean continues to be one of Earth's greatest wonders. So grab your sunscreen, put on your shades, and get ready to dive into paradise as we count down the world's most incredible beaches. Starting with number 1, Elafonisi Beach, Greece. If you're looking for paradise on Earth, Elafonisi Beach in Crete, Greece might just be it. With its shimmering pink sand, shallow turquoise waters, and untouched natural beauty, this beach looks like it belongs on a postcard. Often listed among the most beautiful beaches in the world, Elafonisi is a place where relaxation, adventure, and raw nature come together perfectly. So when in Crete, make sure to add Elafonisi Beach to your itinerary. It's a destination that proves nature is the best artist. Number 2, Banana Beach, Thailand. If you're dreaming of a secret island getaway, Banana Beach on Coral Island, just off the coast of Phuket, is the perfect escape. With powdery white sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and a calm, laid-back vibe, this beach is a true hidden gem in Thailand's bustling tourist scene. Unlike Phuket's crowded shores, Banana Beach offers a more secluded and authentic tropical experience, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and spotting vibrant marine life. Less crowded compared to Phuket's main beaches, making it ideal for relaxation. Beach bars and restaurants serve fresh Thai seafood and tropical drinks, adding to the experience. Number 3, Eagle Beach, Aruba. When people picture paradise, chances are it looks a lot like Eagle Beach in Aruba, famous for its wide, soft white sands and bright turquoise waters. This beach has been ranked among the world's best beaches time and time again. With its peaceful vibe, iconic 440 trees, and gentle waves, Eagle Beach is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure in the Caribbean. Enjoy the calm, clear waters and endless stretch of sand. Visit between March and September for nesting season. Whether you want to bask under the sun, capture postcard-perfect photos, or simply feel the sand between your toes, this spot delivers it all. Number 4, Siesta Beach, USA. Known for its soft, powdery white sand made of 99% quartz crystal, this beach stays cool under your feet even on the hottest summer days. Add in crystal clear waters, breathtaking sunsets, and a lively atmosphere, and you'll see why Siesta Beach has repeatedly topped the list of America's best beaches. Perfect for families, swimmers, and anyone who just loves floating in peace. From Sunday evening drum circles to beachside activities, the atmosphere is always lively. Whether you're traveling with kids, friends, or solo, there's something for you. Number 5, Praia da Falésia, Portugal. Stretching for over 6 kilometers along the Algarve coastline, Praia da Falésia is one of Portugal's most breathtaking beaches. What makes it truly unique is its dramatic backdrop of towering red, orange, and golden cliffs that contrast beautifully with the soft white sand and the turquoise Atlantic Ocean. It's no surprise this beach often ranks among the top beaches in Europe, a perfect mix of raw natural beauty, space to unwind, and opportunities for adventure. A dream for those who love long walks along the shore, The cliffs glow fiery red as the sun dips below the horizon. Number 6. Playa Varadero, Cuba. When it comes to Caribbean beaches, few names shine as brightly as Playa Varadero. Stretching for 20 kilometers along Cuba's northern coast, this slice of paradise is one of the world's most famous beach destinations. With powdery white sands, turquoise waters, and a lively atmosphere, Varadero offers the perfect mix of relaxation, culture, and adventure. Whether you want to lounge under the sun, dive into underwater adventures, or sip mojitos to the rhythm of salsa, Varadero promises memories you'll treasure forever. Number 7. Bavaro Beach, Dominican Republic. If you're searching for paradise, look no further than Bavaro Beach in Punta Cana. With miles of soft white sand, swaying palm trees, and turquoise waters, it's no wonder this destination is often ranked among the best beaches in the Caribbean. Whether you're here for relaxation, adventure, or a taste of Dominican culture, Bavaro Beach delivers it all. Bavaro Beach is everything you imagine when you think of the Caribbean: sun-soaked sands, crystal waters, lively culture, and pure relaxation. Number 8. Platja de Muro, Spain. Tucked away on the beautiful island of Mallorca, Platja de Muro is one of Spain's most stunning beaches, known for its 6 kilometers of golden sand, calm, shallow waters, and natural surroundings. It's a favorite among families, couples, and nature lovers alike. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun, explore the Mediterranean, or enjoy local cuisine by the shore, Platja de Muro has everything you need for an unforgettable beach escape. Platja de Muro is a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and natural beauty. From its golden sands and turquoise waters to the nearby wetlands and vibrant food scene, it's a destination that offers something for every traveler. Number 9. Kelingking Beach, Indonesia. Few beaches in the world can match the dramatic beauty of Kelingking Beach, located on the rugged island of Nusa Penida in Bali, Indonesia. With its iconic T-Rex shaped cliff, turquoise waters, and hidden white sand cove, this spot has become one of the most photographed beaches on earth. But beyond the Instagram fame, Kelingking offers an adventure and raw beauty that every traveler will remember for a lifetime. Kelingking Beach is not for the faint-hearted, but that's what makes it special. The mix of adrenaline from the hike, the raw power of the ocean, and the sheer beauty of the cliff views make it one of Indonesia's most jaw-dropping natural wonders. Number 10. Myrtis Beach, Greece. If you've ever dreamed of standing on a cliff, gazing down at an impossibly turquoise sea, framed by steep white cliffs and hugged by a crescent of soft white pebbles, then you've already imagined Myrtos Beach. Tucked away on the northwest coast of Kefalonia, one of the Ionian islands of Greece, Myrtos Beach isn't just beautiful, it's breathtakingly surreal. Frequently listed among the best beaches in the world, it's famous for its dramatic contrast of white limestone cliffs, bright blue water, and shimmering pebble shoreline. And that wraps up our journey through the 10 most breathtaking beaches on Earth, from the pink sands of Elafonisi to the dramatic cliffs of Myrtos Beach. Honestly, each one is a slice of paradise in its own way, and now I've got serious vacation envy. Whether you're a sun seeker, a wave chaser, or just someone who loves a good ocean breeze, these beaches are must-sees that deserve a spot on your bucket list. If you've been lucky enough to visit any of these gems, or if you have your own hidden beach recommendation, drop it in the comments below. Let's build the ultimate beach wishlist together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more travel inspiration coming your way. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and as always, keep chasing the horizon. I'll see you in the next one.